Biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel ner mala kenyam ka jan gwasa me ban ler man bana jeling re wacca ka South Sudan ken kono niam mi jiram jidit ka Nuer online TV channel go rejano leri janyo nasin ko ken ler me kenyam ban jeling ka tok English ka kore ban jeling ka thoknath kenyam ka kore be jalje ka tok English ka dobran sha kor ka ja wana reler kana me ka thoknath kwar dangraw tin lajdini tin cha kam ladien kwar kirma yadit ke kwarin pai kwany kwartin cha kwany gwa waniga kane abdelbagi kirma yadit tin cha kwanya la vice president ni Dr. Benjamin Bolmel jan kware rawda kene Joseph jan shega la vice president akan kwartin jidini tin cha kwany la kwartin la vice president ni tin charudien mat kwar vice president in kokien chedamente Dr. Yang Machar tabande ngai kenyandeng garang la South Sudan take a vice president dang dich kan vice president dang dich to kan vice president kontin tinte pin kirma yadit vice president dang dich gwade to ga jeno buj bata ka vice president dang dich gwade dane wa mal wailat keje karon kin dang roid wal badak logo ke jeno power balancing ke par kane ta chiang ko dong ci South Sudan je de loy kor na mo jene dane kwan ka vice president dang die keje chukan gorno bikan ne diala to bikan ka lat re kwara ka chagu ji mono na mene chi chong duno ka ta dana chicken gu keje chicken gu jeno South Sudan bayik te ka kwardang de tatona gwasma mi kona la woje danan woy ka kwara ko kenati la me woy ka James Waniga jen a veteran politician mishite ka jen a deputy chairman ruling party na wal na garon ken dangre wel diok ni 2013 Abdul Bagi akolame paibe kwany ke ron ken dangre wel badak general kel ka opposition alliance South Sudan opposition alliance mimo Canadian conan te ka male dan lat ka ron ken dangre wel badak Allah Abdul Baki chaja kwanya la Minister of Agriculture ka wujen tama ka kor gwade dan cha wuj me cha Joseph and Chala gwade chaja lela Ramadan te agriculture tipinde cha Joseph lagu cha jager ko Joseph chega man den chega danan man la kwar Minister for Agriculture no one mane porpinde antama cha Ramadan la vice president nen tetenwen cha kula cha gwain neka kan ka bonte ka swaba neka dangro South Sudan opposition alliance Abdul Baki kan nen chika chal Joseph na party dien ke bon yana kel jen bona kelamon Benjamin Bolmel karon kin dangro idwal baro jen chaja kon sanctioned charge sanction ka corruption charge sanction na kuma US ram cha sanction rami cha gujen wajen cha corruption cha jalat ka kuje mo charge de nokjal cha de widadien no cha gujen ko cha sanction cha de jal shwa bol mail Benjamin bol mail mi chakolo kwanyan tamo ka gwa waniga ala vice president dung South Sudan, ala vice president dung waniga jaram dan ti economic taping dal economic cluster ka do dana dong de kwaktin bere South Sudan de ka yobdi ke ta dana de na de ka yode kan je ka ja so janta dana cha kwan ga anyok wasu menene wan tilat ke kiram wasintin kon lat ke kwide we ke jen o jen a jaram dan we ke kirma yadi den o dong de kirma yadi da gu hada jagwan ko jena wa young man ne karwai da ka video dan en charwaiten nyod jagwano ramangat ke kirma yadi jeni charging yech garang da mabiur so ko kuje mo ne to ngalat ke no dong dara jaram dan di lat kwarka cheme charge tung la vice president tam chang tem tong jen ka kirma yadi ka do dan gu jaga ja dong de lam jo kwarka lo jen dia kwara dem ngoda na mo kan nga jagwa ka gwade dan lat ga jo kwarka pan chang ka waro ka pairo ron kin dang ro jen dang ro yude diech kirma yadi jen che right ka queen economy ga chip ta dan en economy ke jega jare we ka South Sudan karam nan se jako de laram de jaga jagwa vice president pa kwan Dr. Bolmel jene be ta dan sin economy ke jega je ta nan kwak wo ke jega je ta dan telemi je ke je we South Sudan ajaram dan bi realeka Dr. Bolmel wa jen ramdana bi transformative reform in the economic sector jaram dana be let ke jaram dana be nang niam ajane rameme jaram dana be tidial tin gorken ode la let tin de wo jaga jagwa jen bu ladon jene be food security be jaga jagwa so kujemo ajen do bana kwa ingeje kan jen cheke chwal ke Josephine ko dong de kan economic de kan jaga jagwa gwada kwanje tinanen vice president Bolmel jen che ko kirma yadi che jela tasluan mi di long ko chaja kwan ko jene sha anget ka chala ne gwada me jenen basa Sudan be jarwaj kalut kane yai karoda ko bamu gwana jen bela jene shana bu gorno be temi jang balat ki be fail ka belana me be South Sudan be je benefit kim be kan je kalaken chana gorno temi je ga bran be wiya ka shore ga je South Sudan be je yik men gor ka tenen o de je jaga jagwa de jaga o be takamal ka kujimo bana me keli be jelat jen commitment dana chale jen be economic be jaga jatu wano chiga me chalar re gwada dana na kwaje inaugurating ki lat je kwarka tin chalar nene Dr. Bolmel jene be civil servant la ladia re wiga South Sudan the first task man be carried out jene ben yo be ga jakapka mo ngai kono South Sudan wate pedwaro pedwel jokki run tele yo kapka ne dial chui na re wiga South Sudan jenne me my responsibility me be carried out ka be let ke be execute ba chu gwine ta danen let ledekeje Dr. Benjamin Bolmel and Josephine Joseph Lagu were sworn in as South Sudanese new vice president less than 48 hours after being appointed by President Salva Kiir on Monday night. South Sudan has 5 vice presidents as part of a 2018 peace agreement. One of the vice presidents removed from office is James Waniga, a veteran politician who has held the position since 2013 and has been the deputy chair of the ruling SPLM party. Waniga appointed Ladjelenike Ron Kindang Rodwell Jokala vice president, quietly for the first time. The other is Hossein Abdelbagi Akol from an opposition alliance, SSOA, South Sudan Opposition Alliance, which is part of the 2018 peace deal. Abdel Baghi has been appointed the Minister for Agriculture, replacing Joseph N. Joseph Lagu from the same South Sudan opposition alliance. They were in the same party, who now become a vice president for the service cluster. Benjamin Bullmehl, who was sanctioned by the US in 2017 for alleged corruption, has been appointed to replace Waniga as vice president for the economic cluster. Dr. Bullmehl, previously a special presidential envoy for special program, has been the subject of speculation that he was being fronted as a potential successor to President Kiir. Gwade dan wude me chagu jeno jara me dan de Kiir me yadi de gwade jakan. Kaya now lere chi ajana la thok mangwike. Ko chaye tong la vice president tama. During the swearing-in ceremony, President Kiir acknowledged the economic hardship facing the country's citizens and directed Vice President Dr. Bullmehl to lead transformative reform in the economic sectors. Salva Kiir Mayardit emphasized the need for economic diversification and a focus on agriculture to improve food security. In his inauguration address, Vice President Bullmehl expressed deep gratitude to President Kiir for the trust and confidence placed in him. He vowed to advancing our economic agenda and working closely with His Excellency Salva Kiir Mayardit to ensure South Sudan secured its rightful place in the region, Dr. Bullmehl stated. Meanwhile, Josephine Lagu conveyed her sincere appreciation to President Kiir for the opportunity to serve. I pledge not to disappoint the people of South Sudan, she said. Lagu emphasized the collective responsibility of both the government and citizen to ensure the provision of essential services and improve living standards across the country. Both the Vice President, Josephine Lagu, and Dr. Bullmehl were sworn in on Feb 22nd, 2025. Ken kwar dang routin konin cha kwan ka cha lalata kuäärni Kiir Mayardit ko bikan South Sudan bikan nang niam. Bikan kona bikan jata wano. Mi jirama jidit kan war online TV channel. Goron rojin subscribe ka bijin nyoka nasin ko kien. Biya teka mal. Bye bye.